Hey everyone, welcome back to Venta. Today we're diving into something super exciting and practical at the same time. The 2026 Toyota Camper Van. A vehicle that perfectly blends everyday usability with full-on adventure vibes. If you've ever dreamed about hitting the road, exploring new places, and having your home travel with you, this might just be the perfect option. Starting off with the design. The 2026 Toyota Camper Van carries a modern yet rugged look that instantly tells you it's built for adventure. The front features a bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and a slightly elevated stance that gives it a confident road presence. The body is designed with aerodynamics in mind, but it still maintains that classic van shape to maximize space inside. You also get practical touches like roof rails, large sliding doors, and wide windows that not only improve visibility but also make the van feel more open and connected to the outside world. Alloy wheels and subtle cladding around the lower body add a tough, outdoorsy feel, making it ready for both city streets and off-the-grid destinations. Moving on to performance, the 2026 Toyota Camper Van is expected to come with a reliable and efficient powertrain, likely offering both petrol and hybrid options. Toyota is known for durability, and this van continues that legacy with smooth acceleration and dependable engine performance. The hybrid variant, in particular, is perfect for long journeys as it improves fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. The suspension is tuned for comfort, which means even on rough or uneven roads, you'll still enjoy a stable and relaxed ride. Steering is light and easy, making it surprisingly manageable even in tight spaces or urban areas. Whether you're cruising on the highway or climbing through hilly terrain, this van is designed to keep the journey stress-free. Now let's talk about the interior, which is where the 2026 Toyota Camper Van truly shines. Step inside and you're welcomed by a smartly designed cabin that focuses on comfort, functionality, and versatility. The seats are supportive and can be easily adjusted or folded to create more space. Depending on the configuration, you can convert the rear area into a sleeping space, giving you a cozy bed for overnight stays. There's also a compact kitchenette setup, which may include a small stove, sink, and even a mini fridge, allowing you to cook your meals on the go. Storage is cleverly integrated throughout the cabin, so you can keep your essentials organized without cluttering the space. Soft-touch materials and modern finishes give the interior a premium feel, while large windows and optional skylights bring in plenty of natural light. Technology is another strong point here. The van is expected to feature a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice controls. You'll also find multiple charging ports, wireless charging, and possibly even solar panel integration to keep your devices powered during long trips. Climate control ensures a comfortable environment no matter the weather outside, and advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors add an extra layer of safety and convenience. What really makes the 2026 Toyota Camper Van stand out are its unique features tailored for travelers and adventure lovers. One of the highlights is its modular interior design, which allows you to customize the layout based on your needs. Whether you're traveling solo, with a partner, or with family, you can adjust the setup to match your lifestyle. Some versions may include a pop-up roof that creates additional sleeping space or standing room, making the van feel much larger than it actually is. There's also the possibility of off-road packages, giving you better ground clearance and enhanced traction for exploring remote locations. Built-in water tanks, foldable tables, and smart lighting systems further enhance the overall camping experience. Another impressive aspect is how Toyota balances practicality with adventure. This van isn't just for road trips. It can also serve as a daily driver if needed. Its size is manageable, fuel efficiency is reasonable, and it offers all the modern comforts you'd expect from a regular vehicle. At the same time, it transforms into a fully functional camper whenever you're ready to escape the routine and hit the road. In terms of safety, Toyota is expected to include its latest safety suite, ensuring peace of mind wherever you go. Features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert help keep you and your passengers protected at all times. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Camper Van is a perfect mix of innovation, comfort, and adventure-ready capability. It's designed for people who want more than just a vehicle. They want freedom, flexibility, and the ability to explore without limits. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Venta for more amazing car reviews and updates, and I'll see you in the next one.